What is up, guys? It's Equals Pro coming at you with another video, and today I'm here to show you a quick restoration of these Vans, old school, like ruggedized version, and like because of the bottom, the sole. Got these for $10 at Goodwill, so definitely a steal. Just gotta clean them up a little bit, and these will be bangers from beaters to heaters easily. And all I'm gonna be using is Reshoevn8or's solution, and there are 3 brushes, actually just 2 of them, the suede brush and the hard bristle brush. All purpose will not be needed, so fuck that. But yeah, that's all you need to restore shoes like these. So let's go. Oh, also just some rags because it's about to get soapy up in here. But yeah, that's all you need, so let's just get straight to it. As you guys can see, a little Reshoevn8or can go a long way. These things look very crispy, very fresh, and man, almost like new. Like, if they were in this condition, I'd be hella surprised to see them in Goodwill. But it was all just dirt. There's like only like one scuff right there. But this is still brand new material. Just a little bit of creasing, but totally worth the $10. Size 11.5. Totally gonna rock these since it's winter time. And these are the ruggedized Vans. But it's a steal and a deal, and I'm balling like Beal. Thank you for watching this quick little restoration video. Just showing you how good Reshoevn8or really is. This stuff works, man. Like, shout out to Reshoevn8or. Please sponsor me. This stuff is amazing. It literally cleans every shoe and every kind of material out there. It's amazing. It's deluxe. And Vans are known to have really hard to clean soles, and just one go at it. Just one go, didn't have to like hit it twice, and it just looks great, almost new. So great deal, man. I'm so happy how this turned out. I'm gonna finish this one, and yeah, laces are clean. I don't even have to clean those. So overall, great pickup. I'm very happy with these. I can't wait to rock them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and share for more. And yeah, I'm gonna do more of these restoration videos once I get some more beaters from the thrift, because right now all my shoes are clean. And oh yeah, also stay tuned for my shoe collection video that's coming out ASAP. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.